here is my filled out first product field for my product, and it's a book that I wrote. So we're going to promote that in this example. So basically just filled out this whole row and I kept the columns intact. What I want to draw your attention to are these two tabs here at the bottom, the examples and instructions. The instructions basically tell us how to fill out our template, and the examples show how to do that. And let's actually go through the examples, because it's pretty interesting and very telling. First of all, you'll see that it's color coded. What's green is required information, blue is only required for some categories, and orange is recommended, not necessarily required. So you don't have to have it, but it's nice to have. Obviously, the first items are all green, it's required, and then you get into some other items that are maybe whatever is applicable for your situation. Now, there's one tricky thing that is a little bit confusing here, and that is the Google product category right here. Because how do you know what product category in Google is your product? Well, Google has a product taxonomy, and here it is, and it's all numbered. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the link to this in the resources section of this video. Also, many people, they kind of on Udemy struggle with finding the resources section of this video, and then they tell me, oh, I can't find it. So because of that, I'm also going to have the link to this in the very next lecture of the video. I'm also going to have the link to this page as a text so that it's easy for you to find it. And you'll be able to pick out your own product here, your product category, and add the ID. All you have to do is add the ID into that field. And so you go from this example and you fill out the information that's relevant for your product. And you can see that really there's only a couple of fields that are required. And so it's pretty easy. You'll be able to do it in a minute or two, and then you'll be able to move forward.